what is up, you guys? Today I will show you how to make fireworks. Yay! Special effects. You heard me? Special effects. So first I'm going to do a creeper head. So gunpowder, creeper head, paper. What? No, not paper. Dye.
Which Wii game should I LP first?
Let's play.
Yeah. Don't you know what LP stands for?
Alright guys, let's try this one out. See how it comes out.
Oh, I see. It's the creeper's face. See?
Yeah, I know.
I thought it would be like the actual creeper's entire head and everything. Oops,
No, that would be cool though.
that's why I thought it was true. But it wasn't.
Now let's do it with a diamond. And I'm going to do multiple dyes this time. I'm going to do blue. I'm going to do light blue. Cyan. And orange. So we put it in here. I'm going to do two special effects this time. No. And then diamond and fire charge. This is gonna be the coolest one ever. This is gonna be the coolest one ever.
I want to see it.
Prepare to be wowed.
Wow. Do you just slide as many as you can?
Now that's what I call a fireworks show. Now let's go make some more fireworks, eh?
Oh, I remember what I came in here for.
Your phone? What?
My phone is updating. Oh yeah!
It's done?
Yuppos.
Now you can now we can make a video. Or what?
Continue. Food Network.
Alright. This time, Diamond creeper head. This is going to be the most epic firework ever. And then diamond creeper head.
Settings. Wait, didn't I just...
Fire charge. Fire charge.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What is this? Get out of here. Okay.
So orange.
Okay, let's see if Dragon Veil works.
Orange.
I'm scared. What if I deleted it and then reinstalled it? I don't know if it'll come back. Yes! Okay.
You're sweating.
I am?
Look.
Oh, well that was from before. that always happens. I'm not really starting that now.
Red. Alright. No. So, gunpowder. Come in. Welcome. Skylar, I just led a zombie into a villager's house. I was like, welcome. Yellow, green, blue. No, it's the wrong one. Poo-poo. Dang it. Huh. What's up? Villager. Zombie villager. No. E. Crafting bench. Move, bat. So, fire charge, paper, 2 flight duration, creeper stage, orange, yellow, red trail. Let's see how this one turns out. This is gonna be the coolest one ever. Whoa! Skylar, I want to show you something really cool. Skylar, come here. Sorry about that, guys, and this will conclude today's video. Go away, Enderman! Go away! And see you later. I will see you guys later.